We're installing a switch.
Okay.
A cutoff switch.
What does that do?
I'm going to hook it to my main battery. Then I run it back to the inverter. So when we're traveling, I turn it on. And it charges up our solar generator. When we park, I turn it off.
Cool. So anytime we go for a ride or anything, we can charge our cousin Eddie.
Yeah.
Yay. So, okay. So,
dude.
one end of the wire goes to the battery, and the other end goes to that switch?
Yeah. The red will come down to here, and I'll cut it off.
Oh, you split the wires?
Put the one red here, and put another red on the out.
Okay.
Then when you switch it,
Gotcha.
it connects. I need coffee. Coffee, pa-pa-pa. What happened? This is going to be our spot right here. We're going to mount it.
Well, that's pretty handy little spot.
Alright, now it's up to 4 times, guys. That's right, it's crimping time. All good.
Okay, we have the switch installed. Now we just gotta run the wire.
Well, I'm keeping the battery disconnected until we get this done. That's
Yeah.
Hate to see Dustin get all shocked.
Yeah, that's for sure. Now you get to lay there and order your dad around, huh?
He's taken to it, so.
So once we get that wire run all the way back here, we're gonna feed it up between the bed and the cab and then drill a hole and run it into the camper so we can hook it up to Cousin Eddie. Okay, so what's the next job on the agenda? We got this beautiful spring-like day, so we're going to get as much done as we possibly can because we got a 2-day snowstorm coming tomorrow. Lights? You putting
Might
the
look good
lights
lights,
in?
but we didn't bring them out here.
Okay, well, you hold this, I'll run in and get the lights. So we got some nice new overhead lights. We're hoping they'll be a lot brighter than the ones that are there.
Oh, definitely be brighter than the ones that
Yeah,
are
these
there.
look pretty nice.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta go collect some stuff.
Okay. It seems to be warming it up pretty nicely in here. Although it is fairly warm outside. It's like, I think it's probably about 20 degrees out there, so. But when we go traveling on the road, we don't plan on being in any extreme cold, so Mr. Buddy should be quite sufficient. Here comes the tool man.
Whew. Toasty.
Yeah, it's getting warm in here. So just unhook the wires and hook the new ones up, huh?
Yeah, it all depends how I want to do it though. See, here's a quick connect.
Yeah.
I don't know how old they are, but oh, really? Oh, yeah?
It's going to be stubborn, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going. Okay. I got a way of doing it. Because what happens with these, they push it down deep in it, and it ties into the wires.
Okay.
So, usually they have a place back here to push,
And release?
but there's no push.
Oh.
Unless I go this way. There we go.
Okay.
See, that one fell apart.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is, I'm I'm gonna cut these. Perhaps that'll be easier. I'm gonna cut these wires. White will go to white. You know what? This ain't gonna do it. Nope. I shall not return. Talking about not getting exercise. Lady.
Yeah, go find some more tools. That's what we spend most of our time doing, is looking for tools. So wish us luck, guys. We get everything done, and next month we get to go out camping. Yeah. Yavo.
Open it up, it's a police.
You find your dang tool?
Yeah. Ah. Alright. Huh, cool.
Hey. Wow, what the hell was that? Well, we got both lights in without too much problem. But you know, wires always give you some hassle. And husbands always give you some hassle. So, but we got her done.
And then you got the safety woman. Give me a break.
Safety first. Okay. The next thing we're going to do, guys, is beef up our bed. Because when you have two roly-poly hobbits like us, you need a beefed up bed. Our bed is only, what is that, 1/4 inch thick, so we're gonna add another 1/4 inch. Okay, so we're just gonna lay some double-sided tape down to hold the board in place. I need my glasses.
And they are
Lord only knows.
not under my book. That's for sure.
I probably left them in the damn
What
garage.
do you need glasses for?
Okay.
Oh! Oh!
Crack.
Get up there.
I can feel it cracking.
Release the Kraken.
Ah! More. Should be good.
A little short.
Yeah,
That's okay.
I told you it would be a little bit short.
That's okay.
Here,
I got you right where I want you.
Give me the other piece of wood. Oh, it definitely feels much better though with this on here.
Yeah, but nothing.
Okay, so now we got to go cut the wood and we shall return. Perfect. I just gotta get up there and make sure it's...
Get in there and press it down. Roll on it.
Roly-poly.
Hey, I don't hear that crack no more.
No, it feels pretty sturdy.
Cool.
Ping! Okay guys, we got the bed beefed up. Feels pretty solid. Next we're going to put a layer of Reflectix on here for insulation and to help ward off condensation. That's what that one video said anyway. Ugh.
You're going that way?
Yeah. Great workout too.
You see, putting up a butt crack if I was up there. Find your hole.
Can't tell where it is. You're gonna have to lift it up. Whee! Okay.
You know, just cut it wherever you want.
Wow, this is gonna...
Roll it up a little bit.
There we go.
Alright.
Get this out of the way.
There you go. It's like, damn, Danielle!
Yeah, we're taking those out because...
We're not going to sleep there.
No, and we're gonna put cedar planking all around here, so we're gonna remove all obstructions. So little by little, she's shaping up in here. We got the bed beefed up. We got things pretty well. The countertop will probably be ready to install tomorrow afternoon.
Keep going, don't stop now.
These have to come off.
Yep. She's just going to town.
Oh, holy! Oh, I think I partially broke it.
What, your back?
The screw and my back, yes.
Could be.
There we go. Done.
Yeah, that's done.
Another thing we wanted to do before we get the countertop on is to add a little insulation to the outside walls of the cabinets. So we're just adding a layer of Reflectix and then covering it with paneling. And we're hoping to get that done today, get the countertop on. And we're also hoping to get this beautiful cedar shiplap up on the walls today. So wish us luck, guys. Here we go. Let's get started. Okay, well, she looks pretty good. We just gotta nail it up a little bit. And we gotta pretty up our finishing pieces here a little bit. Other than that, she's ready for the countertop, so let's go get that countertop. There, I think that looks pretty good. Not too dark, not too light. Brings out all the imperfections in the wood. A little bit messy, but it works well. So, I'll let this dry for a while and then come back and do the first coat of shellac. Okay, time to put the first coat of shellac on here.
Just stir that.
It looks like diarrhea. Okay, in 1 hour we will be back for the second coat. Hey, we got the countertop in, guys. So finally it looks like we're making some progress here. And that's where Mr. Buddy heater is gonna be. That should heat up this little camper no problem whatsoever. We still gotta make the cabinets look pretty. I'm gonna be making new doors. We got rid of the drawers because to me, they were just taking up more space than they were providing, so we're just going to take them out and make another big door there and have that whole open space. And I probably will add a shelf too to double the space. And then we got this additional space where we took the refrigerator out, so I'll be putting shelves in there. Even though we did lose a couple shelves where our refrigerator goes, we gained a couple from the old refrigerator, so that balances out. So now, the next thing, we're going to start putting up these cedar shiplap boards. Hopefully we'll get that done this afternoon and see what it looks like.